Good morning. My name is Nathaniel Rogers with Octave 9 Defense Dynamics in Prescott, Arizona. I'm calling to introduce Atech to Pveed, the Passive Vehicle Electromagnetic Enhancement Device. Pveed has been under development for roughly 20 years, and we believe it has reached a point where independent testing is the appropriate next step. Pveed uses a specific configuration of materials, including copper wire, neodymium magnets, nickel-containing components, and crystalline materials. It is passive, requires no external electrical power, no software, no ECU modifications, and no fuel additives. It can be installed externally and removed again, which we believe makes controlled baseline versus PV testing feasible. During in-house development, we have observed results that, in our view, warrant independent investigation. For example, in a 2025 Ford Ranger, in-house roll tests produced results that we interpreted as roughly 48% higher MPG under the conditions tested, including a repeated highway trip with significant elevation change. However, these are internal observations, not independent validation. We fully understand that uncontrolled road tests cannot establish performance claims. That is why we are requesting controlled independent testing. The first test could be straightforward. Select an appropriate gasoline vehicle, establish a repeatable baseline on a calibrated chassis dynamometer, measure fuel consumption and emissions, and record power and engine parameters as appropriate. Then install Pveed without changing anything else, repeat the identical test cycle, then remove it. If practical, alternate baseline Pveed. Our position is try to disprove our observations, control the fuel, load, temperatures, drive cycle, ECU adaptation, and other confounders. If nothing is there, that is important to know. But if a repeatable effect appears under controlled conditions, then the discussion can shift to mechanism. For example, does the ignition system show measurable change, secondary voltage, spark duration, waveform characteristics? Does combustion stability or lean burn tolerance change? That would be for Atech's instrumentation and analysis to determine, not for us to presume. If an effect is not independently observed, then that answers the question. If it is observed, then potential implications for range, endurance, and logistics could justify deeper study. But first, we are simply asking Atech for help designing and conducting a credible experiment. Establish the baseline, install Pveed, repeat, remove it, and repeat. Analyze the data, and let the evidence speak. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. Octave 9 Defense Dynamics, LLC, Pveed, Passive Vehicle Electromagnetic Enhancement Device.